How to upgrade the pressure switch to the new flow switch. Firstly, disconnect all power to the FE2000 by the toggle switch on the fume cover control box. Remove the 2 screws and the pressure tube and the 2 cables. Cover the 2 cable raw edge metal ends with the tube supplied. Fold down under the new pressure switch. Remove the jumper lead and put only on the right hand side. Place the new pressure switch. Place the white 2-cord cable onto H1, the white cable on the left hand side of the jumper, then place the new pressure tube in location and screw into place. Connect the pressure tube to the negative. Now reconnect the power. Wait for startup mode. Press enter. Service, enter. Password is 5105. Scroll across to calibration, enter. Scroll across to vacuum, enter. Flow detection, pressure switch. We need to change to flow switch. Then we go to setup. We'll set the alarm to 0.7. Increase. Okay. And that's it. That's how you change a flow switch. Thank you.